So welcome to Quickpixel, and we are making this vintage kind of effect for this video. So let's get into it. Alright, so in the world of Photoshop, I'm making a canvas that is 1280 and 720. Just create it. And I'm going to import my image, but if you would like to use the same image I'm using for this tutorial, the link will be in the description. So just import it and place it. Now click on this adjustment icon and select gradient map. Click on this gradient and double click on this slider. Now remove this color and type 2E1D1A. Hit enter. Now click on the middle of this gradient to make another slider. Now double click on that slider and type D9D4C4. Hit OK. Now double click on this last slider and type FFFBEB. Hit enter. OK. So this is our basic color correction, and now we are going to import the grunge effect. So just place it. By the way, the link of this grunge effect will be in the description as well, so you can download it from there. And just set the blending options to screen. Click on this adjustment icon again and select levels. If your image is too bright, just move the left slider a bit. And if your image is too bright, just move the right slider a bit. So that was it for the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.